Rain. It hasn't been raining heavily for quite some time, and when I zoom in you see all of the defects in the drainage. Mind you, Hepburn Shire Council's just done this streetscape project, putting in some trees and playing with intersections, but they didn't fix the drainage, all the potholes, all the grey surface. So occasionally it runs down the drain, then it runs outside of the drain. You can see all of the crap. You can see one of the trees that they've put in that then makes it practically impossible to fix this. The street sweeper can't get in, so everything blocks. We'll go around the tree. You see the blockage of the leaves, that some bad defects as well. Makes the water run outside again and back down. So it's just a whole stretch. This isn't even the worst bit.